Welcome to ClientConnect campaigns. Campaigns are how we send templated email messages to our contact lists. In the Creating a List video, we saw how to create a list of contacts centered around a concept such as our buyers. And we made a buyer list. So in this video, we are going to create a campaign that will send an email message to the buyer list. From your ClientConnect home screen, look for the marketing link on the left. Then look for the Campaigns button. Point at the little arrow to the right of it and select Create Campaign. Give your campaign a name. This is for internal use. I'm going to make a welcome message for my buyers, so I'm just going to call this Buyer's Welcome Message. And now we're going to select which marketing list this campaign is going to send messages to. So we click the plus sign under Marketing List, and then we just click on whichever list we'd like this campaign to send messages to. So in the previous video we made a buyer list and we called it Homeowners to Be. I've actually got a couple of copies of that. So I'm just going to click on the most recent one, but that is my buyer list, and that is the list I want the campaign messages to go to. So I've selected that, and now I get to pick when the email message goes out. Click on the calendar icon to the right of the Send On line, and you can either have the email be sent immediately by clicking Now, or you can click some other date and time for it to be sent, and then click Done. We're going to set this campaign to send immediately, so I'll just select Now and then click on Done. All right, so you're ready to pick a template. Before you type anything into the subject line, you're going to want to look down to the Template drop-down and pick which template you are going to use. Your list will vary. I'm just going to use one for an example. Now that you've picked your template, and you can see the basic template material below, go back up to your subject line and change that into whatever you want the subject line of the email message to be that your recipients receive in their inboxes. Down at the template editor, you can see a banner header, and you can see some placeholders for text. So all you got to do is take out that placeholder text and replace it with the message you'd like this template to show. The information in the bracketed items down below is going to display your contact information as you entered into the profile section of ClientConnect, which we saw in the ClientConnect Module 1 training. Selected text can be changed using the formatting buttons up top. So you can do standard things like bolding or underlining or italicizing, different font styles and types and sizes and even colors. You can change selected text into hyperlinks, or you can even add pictures. Right now what we're going to do is customize this message so that it greets our contacts by first name. So I type in hello, comma, space. On the left, you'll see that you have all your contacts information fields available. So all we've got to do is click on the first name contact tag and drag it into the message. It looks a little ugly, but the final result is that each recipient will be greeted individually in the message with his or her first name. Then you can change the remaining placeholder text to say whatever you want. We're just doing a short message as this is an example, but if you wanted to add a picture, you could do so. Click on the picture icon. Select a photo from your computer or use something you've uploaded previously. In this example, we're just going to pick something off the computer's picture gallery. This isn't a Christmas message, but we'll use this image just for demonstration purposes. Now I've got a customized greeting, some text, and even a custom picture. Your agent photo will be included with this bracketed contact information, so you do not need to add your agent photo. Now all you've got to do is click on Save and Schedule. And I earned a badge for making a campaign. I'll post that to my profile. So under the campaign details, the message has now been queued for delivery. And later on, when you come back into the details of this campaign, you'll be able to see statistics about the messages, including how many times it was opened, and if any were bounced back, and so forth. So that's how you can track the effectiveness of your campaigns. So that is building a simple campaign. Thank you for watching.